this screencast is going to show you how to set up your Google folders for me. So you'll want to go to your Google Drive. That's usually, you'll have your letter here for your name, and under this grid, you'll want to click it and look for your Google Drive right here. Some of you may even have your Google Drive on the bottom of your Chromebook. Just make sure you get to where it says Drive. This Google Drive is completely empty, but I'm sure most of you have it full of previous assignments for your teachers. If you haven't already deleted that, you can, or if you'd like to keep them, but we're going to keep all of our fourth grade stuff organized. So click New, which is this plus button, and you're going to add a new folder. So click Folder. It's very important how you name this. I want you to name it with your first name. I'm going to put Rosie, period. Your last name, Burke, don't forget your capital letters, period. Fourth, space, grade. So make sure that you name your folder first name, dot last name, dot fourth grade. Hit create. Now you've got this folder, but we're not finished. Before you do anything else, I want you to right click so it says share, or you can click it, make sure it's highlighted blue, and up here you can add the person with the plus. Just make sure that it's getting ready to share. So actually, let me show it the other way here. So if we're going to right click, click share, and up here you're going to write my name because I want to have access to your folder. That way I could see all of your work. So you're going to click here and ROSELYNN period BURKE. This is my name, Rosalind Burke. And you're going to share it with my email at colonial.k12.de.us. My name and picture should show up. So look for this one and click it. That's who you're going to be giving permission to. Make sure it says editor. Don't click on anything else. I want editing access, and it should have my name. So when you're finished with that, you can hit send. You should see a little person icon on your folder now. That means it's shared with me. After you've completed that, go ahead and open up your folder, and you're going to add 4 more folders in there. So go back to the plus sign, new folder. This time you're going to name this ELA. Hit create. You're not going to need to share it with me because you've shared your fourth grade folder with me. You know that I have access because the little person will be there. Make sure all of these folders have that little person. Hit new again. Another folder will be titled Math. Another folder you'll title Social Studies. Make sure you're spelling these folders correctly too. If you need to pause the video to do that, you may. And your last folder will be Science. That's all you need to do. Double check that all of your folders have the little person icon on it, and that's it.